Hello sir, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Shonur Rahman Shohan, ID 201353072, Section A, Batch 34, Department of Software Engineering. And my present to my honorable teacher Mohammad Maruf Hussain sir, Department of Software Engineering, FISG, Daffodil International University. And my course title Information System Security and my course code AC332. At first, I am very sorry to say my physical condition is very sick, so please, sir, my mistake, some of mistake, consider. And back to my presentation topics. My presentation topics: code of vulnerability and compromise software quality, major security threat. My course presentation outline. This is outline of you are gathered given a video of 23 September of our seminar in this varsity. This video were collected some of topics. At first, code quality, at second, code vulnerability, and third, connection between code vulnerability and software quality, importance in this context of cybersecurity, and code quality of cybersecurity, define type of code vulnerability, and 7, impact of software quality, 8, security risks and conclusion, 9, type of code analysis, 10, the export of BANS 2070, and define tools of static code of analysis, and my topic, final topic is conclusion. This is over the my presentation topics outline at first, and now my presentation first topics: the Explore Batch 2070. This is three of type, brief overview, and of the BANS exploiting valuable efforts of CBC 2070 is 568, and impact personal information on 147 people compromised. Now my next topics: security risks and consequence. Security risks and consequence is very important part of our cybersecurity system. It is very important part, and three of types: data bans. This is unauthorized access and sensitive information. Second type: financial loss. Financial loss is very important. This is the cost of associations and with recovery and legal implication. And my final topics: repetition of demand, loss of trust from user and stakeholder. This is security and consequencing. This is my next topic: code quality. My code quality is very important part of cybersecurity club, and code quality referred to the perform and readability and state of software. At first we are defined code vulnerability referred to weakness and a flaw in this software system, and code can be exploited by the malicious actor, and there are vulnerability max of exit due to coding of error and design flaw or the indirect of security measure provide of potential entities point and unauthorized access, data bans, or other cyber threat. And code quality referred to the performance and reliability and stakes of this secure software and ensure that it is meeting of requirement while reduce and burst of metal labor of this cost. It is including the best practice and complications with of regulations in effective problem solving. So we know code quality is very important part of cybersecurity, performance and readability and state of software. Now my next topics: code vulnerability. Some of type of code vulnerability. Some of types of four types in I discuss: injection, attack, and second cause sting speed of third cause sting request forget, and four security minifications. Injection. SQL injections occurs then understanding data in this inside of into SQL query and allow and this attack to manipulation the database. And command injection and similar to SOL but involve of injection manipulation of command into the system and command. Cause site escaped. Allow attack to injection and manipulation of softwares in this view by the other of user. This can lead to the threat of sensitive information and session hacking. And third, cause site and request forget CSRF and for forecast user in platform unit of action without there is contents of attack track of user into the perform action and this website or they are of authorized. And my final security mini configuration. Incorrect of configuration security and setting default the configuration can exporting sensitive information and provide unauthorized access. Now my next topic is connection between code vulnerability and software quality. Some of software quality and this is described of the type. At first my first security accept of software quality, and second reliability and stability, and third maintain ability and for performance and impact, and five user trust and protection, and six conclusions of regular requirement, and seven stability and addition ability, and eight code reliability and documentation, nine testing and quality occurrence. This is type of conclusions and between code vulnerability and software quality. Now impact in this context and cybersecurity and prevent of exporting data some of type of context cybersecurity. Context cybersecurity is very important part of cybersecurity club and cybersecurity part, and it is a very important context. And some of important context here is my noticed and describe. At first, prevent of explanations, and second data protection, and third mitigation of security risks, and four mitigating trust, and five completing with regulation, and six prevent denial of service attack DOS, and seven security threat of part component, and eight cyber realized, and nine potential against zero-day exploiting, and 10 security purchasing. Now my next topics code quality and software security. Code quality of most of important of security part and cyber security implementation. Here are some of implementation of cyber security and software quality code testing, and now I describe some of topics, and we know reduce vulnerability, second sequence code practice, third security by design, four maintain and security update, five code review, six static code analysis, seven dynamic code analysis, eight sequence development practice, nine security testing, 10 minimum attack surface, 11 error handling and logging, 12 dependency management. That part of code quality, software testing about software security and cyber security. Now my next topic define type of code vulnerability. Define type of code vulnerability is most of important part, and this is sum of types At first, injection vulnerability. Second, cross-site spreads X double S, and cross-site request forget, and security manipulation, sensitive data exporting, and broken authorized and session management, inquiry of direct, observed, and refers, security added mistakes and unacknowledged impact, and the proof of overview and XML extents of entities, and attack and using command with no vulnerability, and infrequencing loading and monitoring, zero-day exporting, and in-sequence definition. Now my next topic is impact of software quality testing and integration of this code and the integrated of reliability of description in the software performance of impact on user experience. Now my next topic is type of code analysis. Some of type of code analysis, and this is a code analysis very important part of security. And at first, statics code analysis. Second, dynamic code analysis. Third, code review. Four, security code analysis. Five, code materials analysis. Six, code small analysis. Seven, deficiency analysis. Eight, test convert analysis. Nine, concurrency analysis. 10, documents analysis. This is the type of difference tool and static code analysis. Static code analysis ESS and this is language JavaScript and type TypeScript, and purpose of learning of independence and fleeting problem in the JavaScript and TypeScript code of Fint. And second is the learning Python. This is Python static code and analysis tools and characteristics for error, and informal coding of statics, and look of coding small of stacker, and language Java purpose of ensure that Java code and the attack and specification of statics is covered except or maintain of contact without, and this code statics recap. And Ruby is there are Ruby. This language is very popular, and so Ruby static code of analysis and formatting base, and this communication Ruby static guide, and testlet of description of this type of language. Type of in description of forever is of transcription static analysis listening. This is my final topic's conclusion. Conclusion, a recap of code vulnerability of impact and software quality and security. This is very important of recap code vulnerability importance, and my next topic say emphasize and collective responses for sequence of software development, and my final call of actions of impact best practice and stay informed and to be productive in this addressing of vulnerability. So this is my presentation, and please consider my mistakes, sir, and thank you. uh, Assalamu alaikum.